Morning. Here we are in the gym. It's Friday morning and we made it. We made it to the end of the week. So yeah, and the day before the holiday. So today we've got a shoulder workout and I've got the shoulder press set up, seated shoulder press. It's been a while since I've done seated shoulder press with the barbell. I did them with the dumbbells a few weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago, and everything else has been standing. So definitely a different deltoid engagement when standing. I'll see how much. I think this is going to be a lot easier when I'm seated. Not a lot, but it'll be because I end up incorporating chest whenever I'm doing the seated dumbbell, seated barbell shoulder press. So because you can push back against the chair, you know. So anyway, we'll see how it feels. So anyway, we got 4 sets of 10 there. Then we've got dumbbell lateral raises and dumbbell front raises, and those are at 3 sets of 10. And then I've got my PT work. I'll stretch my shoulders out. So yeah, we'll get all that in, head out on a walk. Pretty tired this morning, but we'll probably hit the jog splits. Just won't be as aggressive as they were yesterday. So I'll be jogging a little bit less intensity on the jog. Probably over 12s is what I'm looking for. Between 12 and 12:30. So anyway, I'm gonna go get that done. Gonna get this longevity training in so we can meet age with grace, folks. This is Sojourner Vision. Welcome to the channel. I'm Russell. Can't even spit my words out this morning. So the old mouth isn't working. So anyway, we're gonna get this done and come back and chat. So here we go, let's hit it. All right, Friday's workout's done. So yeah, shoulders went well. Yeah, a little bit stronger that way, a little bit to lean on, a little bit of force behind your back to help you push the weight up. Yeah, 75 pounds is where I ended up at the last 2 sets. So started at 55, incremented by 10 pounds to 65, and then 10 pounds to 75 for the set 3 and 4. So pretty happy with that, pretty happy with that. Always the first one's hard to get going. Once I get going, it works all right, but that first rep, hoisting that up is difficult for me with my shoulders. So anyway, yeah, got it done. The lateral raises and front raises, those went well. 12 pounders on the lateral raises for a set of 12, for 3 sets of 12, and the 15 pounders still on the front raises. Won't be moving up on the front raises for a while. That's getting me a good workout, and I wish there was a little bit heavier weight. I guess I could maybe try to build myself some weights, but kind of in between 15 and 20 right now. So I have to stick with the 15s unless I do lower reps with the 20s, because I don't think I could do 12 reps with the 20 pounders anyway. So yeah, shoulder workout went well. PT went good. That always does. Felt good stretching that out. Always get to see where I'm at when I get to that, because every week it seems like I get to stretch a little further out. The shoulders get a little more stretch out of them than what they did the prior week. And with less pain too. Getting in that position I used to couldn't, barely could. Now I can at least get into that stretch position and actually start working back even further. So then went out on the walk jog, and I did end up jogging. I ended up at the 12:02, just over 12. So it wasn't terribly aggressive, but still a little more than I probably initially anticipated I'd do. So, but once I started, you know, you get used to that pace, and that pace just keeps on going. So ended up at that pace, and that's good. It's fine with me. Feels good. Cardio still kind of working, and the respiratory still at it too. So yeah, so still working on catching my breath. But anyway, that gets Friday done. We'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Friday, a great 4th of July, a great weekend, all that. You guys enjoy some family time or whatever you're gonna do. Just enjoy it. Be safe, folks. Be safe. Don't do anything stupid. Don't do anything stupid. Be safe. All right, we'll let y'all go. You guys take care. Be safe. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Go do it. All right, we'll see you. This is Sojourner Vision. See you later.